Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix online video is gray out. If you need to insert online video, so to resolve this problem, this command is currently disabled. This document has been opened in compatibility mode. To use this feature, convert your document to a new file format by clicking the File tab and then click Convert. So click on File and if you not see here option, so click on Info and click on Convert. Click on OK. So as we can see here, online video feature is now available. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.